How to delete a YouTube playlist. So hey guys, if you also want to delete a YouTube playlist, then you need to follow the simple steps listed in this video. So for this particular operation, you won't be requiring the YouTube Studio application, and all you need is just the YouTube application. So simply open up your YouTube application, and then once you have opened your YouTube application, simply click onto the profiles icon at the bottom right. Then you will be landed onto this particular interface, and below the history you will see this playlist option. So under the playlist you need to click onto the view all button to open all of your playlists. So for example, let's say I have this particular playlist called fun which I had created. So if I want to delete it, what I need to do is click onto these three dots present over it, and then it will give me an option to delete this playlist. So simply click onto the delete button, and it will ask you for a confirmation one more time. So click onto the delete button again, and here you can see that this playlist has been successfully deleted from our YouTube channel or account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, to tell us in the comments if that worked for you or if you encountered any issues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.